Welcome to HSHSL's Introduction to Medline tutorial. During this tutorial, we will show you how to build a basic search in the database using medical subject headings. Medline is a large database used for searching journal literature in medicine, nursing, and other health fields. To access Medline, go to the library's homepage, www.hshsl.umaryland.edu. Click on the Databases link. Click M. Click Medline Ovid 1946 to current with daily update. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to enter your UMID and password in order to access Medline. Medline searching defaults to the Advanced Search option. Using the Advanced Search option, you can combine separate search terms using AND to find the intersection between those terms, and use OR to group similar terms together. In our search today, we'll be looking for articles on heart attacks in women who smoke. Our three major concepts will be heart attack, smoking, and women. I will now enter my first concept, heart attack. When searching Medline, it defaults to map term to subject heading. Medical subject headings are a controlled vocabulary used to index articles in biomedical literature. To see a definition of a term, related concept, and history of the subject heading, you can click on the Scope Note link. The term myocardial infarction is the medical subject heading used for heart attack. I will click the checkbox next to the term and click Continue. I have the option of searching a subheading as well. This would allow for a more specific search. At this point, I will not use a subheading and click on Continue. When I do this, it will actually search all subheadings. You can now see my search history, which at this point is only myocardial infarction. We can now search for our second concept, smoking. This will be similar to my first search, where I will select an appropriate subject heading, then click Continue. In some cases, there will not be an appropriate subject heading, and you can search using keywords. I can now combine these two concepts to look for all citations that have both myocardial infarction and smoking as subject headings. To do this, I will check the box next to each search and click Combine Selections with AND. You can see that I now have a much smaller set of results. To complete the search, I now need to add the concept of women. I can do this using the limits that are available in Medline. Limits are a way of refining a search and getting a smaller set of results. Some limits available include age, publication type, data publication, language, and gender. Some limits are available on the initial search screen. To see more limits, click on Additional Limits. In this case, I want to limit my search results to articles dealing with women specifically. I will select female as well as English language, and then click on Limit a Search. You can now see we have retrieved a smaller set of results that are specific to our search for articles about heart attacks in women who smoke. This concludes the Introduction to Medline tutorial. If you need further assistance, please contact the Reference Department at 410-706-7996. Or you can go to the library's Ask Us page, where you can send an email to the Reference Department or chat with a member of the reference staff in real time. Thank you.